Yes, welcome back mathematics online classes. So dear students, the last class already we started the applications of a derivative in second topic, the tangent and normal. Clear? So tangent and normal, first of all already the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal, then equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. There are four forms is there. So what do you mean by slope of the tangent? So dy by dx at the point of x1 y1 is the slope of the tangent. So next the second one, the slope of the normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. This is the slope of the normal. So next equation of the tangent. So y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx of x minus x1. This is the equation of the tangent. So last second one, so y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at the point of x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is the slope of the normal. So already we completed the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. Then we discuss the second one, the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Already we got the one problem of equation of tangent and equation of normal. Now ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ equation of tangent ಮತ್ತು equation of normal ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. So we continue the next class as the today class. Again we discuss some more problems on equation of tangent and equation of the normal. Look at here, some problems is there. There are 5 problems in this class. Only we discuss these are 5 problems. Okay. First one, y is equal to x cube. Find the equation of tangent and equation of the normal on the curve. So what is the curve? So y equal to x cube at 1 comma 1. Clear? 1 comma 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ? So ಏನು second problem, y equal to x cube at 1 comma 1. So is the equation of the curve. Using the equation, then find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Before find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal, so ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಏನು y equal to x cube. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to x cube. D by dx of x cube is 3x square. Clear? So d by dx of x cube is it's a 3x square. This is the only the point of is the slope of the tangent. Next if the point of 1 comma 1 ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, so dy by dx of the 1 comma 1 equal to, so 3 into 1 square, so equal to 3. Clear? So this is the slope of the tangent. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ slope of the normal ಏನು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, minus 1 by 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ therefore the equation of the tangent is equal to y minus y1 equal to dy by dx of at the point of x1 y1 as the x minus x1. Clear? So therefore ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ y minus y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ y minus 1. So this is x1 y1 ಅಂದಂಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, the point of x1 y1. So 1 comma 1 is the x1 y1. So y minus 1, so equal to, what do you mean by dy by dx is 3 into bracket of x minus 1. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. therefore as the ಏನಾಯಿತು y minus 1 equal to 3 into bracket of x minus 1. only for equation of tangent ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡಿಸಾತಿದ್ದು, equation of normal ಅಲ್ಲ. equation of normal next ಬಿಡಿಸೋಣ. only equation of the tangent. therefore so y minus 1 equal to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 1 is 3. therefore so y minus 1 equal to as the remaining equation is x is the positive, the whole term is transferred to RHS. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ 3x minus 3 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So I repeat again. So y minus y1 equal to m into bracket of x minus x1. So x1 y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ, 1 comma 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ. then y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx become 3 ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಿರಿ 3 ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So 3 into bracket of x minus 1. So y minus 1 equal to 3x minus 3. therefore 3x minus 3, this whole term is transferred to RHS side. So 3x minus 3 minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So this is equation of the tangent only. Therefore second one, So equation of normal. Equation of normal. So here what is the equation of normal? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 divided by dy by dx of x minus x1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ y minus y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3 of x minus 1. Clear? Yes. ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. So ಏನಾಯಿತು y minus 1 so equal to minus 1 by 3 of x minus 1. So therefore y minus 1 as the cross multiply 3 into y is 3y minus 3 into 1 is 3 equal to minus 1 into x is minus x minus 1 into minus 1 is the plus 1. So as the minus x is negative, it means as the RHS is transferred to LHS side. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ x minus 1 ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ remaining plus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal. So y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx of x minus x1. So 3y minus 1 cross multiply 3 into y is 3y minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 equal to minus x plus 1. So x minus 1 plus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation of normal. Yes. Next problem. We are going to the second problem of equation of tangent and equation of normal. So second problem, it means it's a third. Already first problem last class ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Next second one up to second to 6. The third problem. So y equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at the point of 1 comma 3. At the point of 1 comma 3 find the equation of tangent and equation of normal. So using the equation of curve. What is the equation of the curve? So y equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Look at it. First of all, first step, I differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, so dy by dx of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. Clear? Direct bari d by dx of x raised to 4 andre ಏನಪ್ಪ 4x cube minus d by dx of 6x cube andre 18x square because of, so 6 is a constant outside of the derivative, then d by dx of x cube is 3x square, 6 into 3 is 18x square plus d by dx of 13x square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ 26x. So 13 into d by dx of x square is 2x, so 13 into 2 is 26 minus d by dx of 10x is only for 10, then plus 5 is 0, plus 5 become is a d by dx of 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 0. So ಏನು ಬಂತು d by dx of as the dy by dx is the only for the slope of the curve. 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. Then substitute the point 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 into 1 cube minus 18 into 1 square plus 26 into 1 minus 10. So 4 into 1 cube is 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 4 plus 26 is 30 minus 18 minus 10 is minus 28 equal to 2. Therefore the slope of the tangent, so dy by dx at the point of x1 y1 is 2. Then ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. So dy by dx at the point of x1 y1 become 2. Then what is the points? This is the point of x1 y1 1 comma 3. Using these to find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. So therefore the first one, so ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ 2 and 1 comma 3. First one, equation of tangent. Equation of tangent ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? So x minus x1 equal to, sorry, y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at the point of x1 y1 equal to x minus x1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1,3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ x1 y1 ಅಂದಂಗೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ y minus 3 equal to dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 into bracket of x minus 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ y minus 3 so equal to 2 into bracket of x minus 1. So y minus 3 equal to 2 into bracket of x minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x minus 2. So y minus 3 as the 2x is positive transfer to LHS side. So it means 2x plus 2 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Andra 2x plus y plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. I repeat again, the equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent? The form of equation of a tangent is y minus y1 equal to dy by dx of x minus x1. First of all, what is the points? The points is given by 1,3. 1,3, then what is the slope of the tangent is 2. So substitute all the values in the equation of the tangent. So y minus 3 is equal to 2 into bracket of x minus 1. Y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. The whole term of RHS is transferred to LHS. So sorry, 1 second. The whole term of it is transferred to this one because of it is also already positive. So positive iddidakka idin transfer madkobedri, idin madkodri. Sorry. So this term is transferred to RHS. Okay. 2x minus 2 minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Yes. So 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Clear? So this is equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. So next equation of normal. So equation of normal. So second one, equation of normal. In equation of normal, what is the equation of normal? Y minus y1 so equal to minus 1 by dy by dx of x minus x1. Okay, so y minus y1 andra y minus 3. What is the value of x1 y1? 1,3. y1 become 3. y minus 3 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿರಿ 2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿರಿ 2. So into x minus 1. Then cross multiply. So y into 2 is 2y minus 3 into 2 is 6 equal to minus 1 into x minus 1 into plus 1. It's a minus 1, it's a plus 1. So as the x become negative ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ LHS side ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Total term is transferred to LHS side. So x minus 1 plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. So x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the normal. So I repeat again, the equation of the normal. First of all, the equation of the normal, it's given by the 2 points 1,3 and the slope of the tangent is dy by dx is 2. Using these to find the equation of the normal. So y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx of x minus x1. So this is the equation of the normal form. Substitute the value of x1 y1 and dy by dx. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into of x minus x1 as the x minus 1. So cross multiply 2y minus x equal to minus x plus 1 as the RHS side is transferred to LHS side. So x minus 1 plus 2y minus x equal to 0. So x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. This is the equation of the normal. Yes, so we're going to next problem. The third one, the third problem. Find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. So what is the third problem? X is equal to next problem. So x is equal to cos t and y equal to sin t at t equal to pi by 4. So this is parametric form. The derivative of a parametric. Already you know the parametric. ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ parametric ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ? So what do you mean by parametric? X and y are the separate functions. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt is the parametric. So differentiate both functions separately with respect to t. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? t ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ with respect to t. dy by dx is the slope of the tangent. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟಿ. dx by dt equal to, what do you mean by dx by dt? d by dt of cos t is minus sin t. Okay, again, so dy by dt as the dy differentiate with respect to t, as the dy by dt of sin t is cos t. Therefore, as the dy by dx equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. What do you mean by dy by dt ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿರಿ? cos t, and dx by dt ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus sin t equal to minus cot t. So dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ? dy by dx is equal to minus cot t ಬಂತು, ಹೌದಾ? This is only for slope of the tangent, not the point of t equal to pi by 4. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಡು. ಇಫ್ ಟಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ -1. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಆಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4, this is the parametric problem. As the differentiation of the parametric, x equal to cos t and y equal to sin t with t equal to pi by 4 at the point of t equal to pi by 4. First of all, differentiate with respect to t on separately on these two functions. So differentiate with respect to t as dx by dt is minus sin t and dy by dt of sin t is cos t. So therefore, as the parametric form can be written as dy by dx equal to dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So cos t divided by minus sin t is nothing but a minus cot t. As the dy by dt is nothing but a minus cot t, with t equal to pi by 4, substitute the value of t equal to pi by 4, then minus cot pi by 4 is -1. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಬಂತು? as the point of t equal to ಏನು ಬಂತು? pi by 4. ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿನಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x1 y1 ಏನ್ರಿ? ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್? x minus x1 equal to, as the y minus y1 equal to dy by dx of x minus x1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x1 y1 ಏನು ನೋಡಿ, x1 y1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು cos pi by 4 and y equal to sin pi by 4. ಅಂದರೆ x equal to cos pi by 4 equal to x equal to 1 by root 2 and y is also 1 by root 2. So therefore the points is 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. So this is x1 y1 ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. This is x1 y1. ನಿಮಗೆ x1 y1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇವು x1 y1. The points on the curve is 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. Using these two, then find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Look at here. This is important point, very very important. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಪ್ಪ? dy by dx equal to -1 ಅಂತೇಳಿ. Then what is the points? 1 by root 2 comma 1 by root 2. So using these two, then find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. So first one. So equation of tangent. What is the equation of tangent? Y minus y1 equal to dy by dx of x minus x1. Y minus y1, what is the y1? 1 by root 2. So equal to dy by dx is -1 of x minus 1 by root 2. Clear? Note, I repeat again, y minus y1 of dy by dx of x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. So y minus y1 andre y minus 1 by root 2 equal to -1 of x minus 1 by root 2. So take the LCM of this one is root 2 is the LCM. 1 root 2s are root 2 1s andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? root 2y minus 1. root 2y minus 1 equal to, so again -1 into bracket of again this one. So root 2x minus 1. Both sides root 2 get cancelled. ಅವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ರೂಟ್ 2 LCM ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ, LHS RHS -1 ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ root 2y minus 1 is equal to -1 of root 2x minus 1. ಸೊ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, root 2y minus 1 equal to, as the -1 is multiply whole term, minus root 2x plus 1. So this whole term is transferred to LHS side because of x become negative. Andra? So root 2x plus root 2y minus 1. This is comes to minus 1 equal to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತನ್ರಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ minus 1. Therefore the equation of tangent root 2x plus root 2y minus 2 equal to 0. So I repeat again, this problem is very very important. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಓನ್ಲಿ x equal to cos t and y equal to sin t at t equal to pi by 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, dy by dx ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, -1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ t equal to pi by 4 in these two, ಅವಾಗ ನಿನಗೇನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ. ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1/√2, 1/√2 ಅವೆರಡು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y minus 1/√2 equal to -1 of x minus 1/√2. So root 2y take the LCM of LHS and RHS. Root 2y minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1 into bracket of root 2x minus 1/√2. So ಏನಾಯಿತು root 2 get cancel. So root 2y minus 1 so equal to root 2x plus 1. So the LHS RHS side whole term transfer to LHS. So root 2x plus root 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So root 2x plus root 2y equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Yes, so this is equation of tangent, only equation of tangent, not a normal. Then find equation of the normal. So ಈ equation of tangent ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, equation of normal ಇನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Okay. So therefore equation of the normal, second one, equation of the normal. What is the equation of the normal? Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx of x minus x1. So y minus y1 is y minus 1 by root 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1 of x minus 1 by root 2. Simple ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So y minus 1 by root 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. root 2y minus 1 by root 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ. Take the LCM of root 2. So 1 root 2 is root 2 1 is root 2y minus 1 by root 2. So equal to minus 1 minus become, it's a cancel only for plus 1. So remaining this is also same, root 2x minus 1 by root 2. So root 2 get cancelled. So root 2y minus 1 equal to root 2x minus 1. This whole term transfer to RHS. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ root 2x minus root 2y minus 1. This is also transferred to, it's a plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Remaining, so root 2x minus root 2y equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. So I repeat again, the equation of the normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx of x minus x1. dy by dx ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ minus 1, x1 y1 ಗೊತ್ತದ 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ root 2x minus root 2y so equal to 0. Okay. This is the problem on the equation of tangent and equation of normal is using some parametric form. Remaining two problem is there. So you have to do homework problem ನೀವು ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. Fifth one and sixth one. What is the fifth one? So x equal to 1 minus cos theta and y equal to 1 plus sin theta where theta equal to pi by 4 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ same problem. So sixth one has x equal to sin 3t and y equal to cos 2t then t equal to pi by 4. So same ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. So these are the problems on equation of tangent and equation of normal. Some more problems is there as the tangent and normal ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. Problems now we continue next class. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt or any queries please contact my number. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸು ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರಪ್ಪ. ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.